Hi, and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. Today we're going to practice centering. It's very important to be and maintain your center each and every day, no matter what you're doing. So here's a simple exercise to practice until it becomes automatic. So you can do this first thing in the morning, or at any time during the day when you begin to feel off, when you begin to feel off balance, not right in a sense, brain becomes a little foggy, you feel unfocused. So this is a time for centering. So you find a quiet place in any position, but keep your spine supported and straight. And remember to relax all the muscles in your face. Relax your shoulder joints, your fingers, your toes, and your calves. So it's important that your body be as relaxed as possible. And then we're going to bring the focus to the breath. And we're going to keep the focus as we breathe into the belly button. Keep your focus in your belly button. Breathe in. And then breathe out, relaxing as you breathe out. Going to breathe in peace and calm. I'm going to exhale out stuff. Just let go of stuff. Breathing in new life, new energies. Breathing in clarity into your belly button. Exhale on the out breath. Just let go of stuff. Relaxing the shoulders and the fingers. Relaxing your TMJ. Now, imagine that you have symbolically an anchoring visualization from your belly button to the heart of the earth. This will help stabilize your electromagnetics in your nervous system and in your auric field. A stabilizing anchoring with the core of the earth and your belly button. And now feel and imagine an openness above your head, above your crown chakra, just a wide open space, very clear, just an open space for receiving. And then you take another deep breath and center into the heart center, center into the core of your heart center. Now begin to breathe from that center, breathing in light, breathing out light, light everywhere, radiating out, centering heaven and earth within. And you can also visualize in the palms of both hands a silver and a golden sphere of light. Golden sphere in one hand, silver sphere in another. Your palms are holding these spheres of light upon your lap, let's say, or to the side of your body. And just keep your intention on these balls of light as they begin to rebalance your whole chakra system. And just gently breathe, relax, stay calm, keep your center, keep breathing. And do this until you feel very centered and calm and focused. And always keep sacred space around you at all times. You're always divinely protected by the light. So thank you for tuning in for this. We hope this has been helpful for you. Have a great day.